Baba, you want to get some ice cream?
Okay.
Yeah, ice cream? Okay, let's go get some ice cream. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Feast with Pete, and I hope y'all enjoyed my last video, which was about pokés and plates. The video before that was about Waikiki eats. In this video, the third part of the video, we're going to be covering the sweetest element of Hawaii, which is the desserts, the shaved ice, and the beautiful pastries that they have to offer, as well as local Hawaiian chocolates from different islands. So let's get started on this video. The first place I want to take y'all to is called Il Gelato. It's in Waikiki. It's like a couple of minutes walk from the Royal Hawaiian Center. And you know, it's kind of touristy, but they got all the island flavors, if you will. They also got other flavors if you don't like the island flavors. But they got your ubes, they got your macadamias, they got your haupias, they got your pineapple, they got your lilikoi. And you know, your boy had to get some lilikoi and macadamia. Even my baby girl was enjoying that ice cream, you know. Who doesn't love gelato, right? So the next place I want to take y'all to is the good old Leonard's Bakery in Honolulu, right? Now the line is always long for this one, but get there early and get your pastries. They got malasadas. They also got some sausage buns. They got other pastries as well. So, you know, I got to get some sausage bun for the uncles and aunties. But you know, I also got some malasada. Now malasada, now that is a Portuguese donut that's cream filled. So I'm gonna explain exactly what's in it. This is the Leonard's Bakery, malasadas. Open it up.
Oh wow!
You got chocolate, macadamia,
Holy
guava,
cow!
and haupia.
And hopia.
It's actually pronounced haupia. It's different from the hopia, the Filipino dessert. Now this morning we got to go to Leonard's Bakery to try some malasadas. Now I didn't know what a malasada was like 2 months ago till I watched the Hawaiian Traveler. Malasada is basically a sugar donut that has a cream filling, right? It has macadamia nut, custard filling, guava, and then haupia, which is coconut filling. So I think this one is a haupia because you can kind of see in the beginning, like, you know, they basically make the donuts and put in the filling. But this one right here, this one's a chocolate. And I was trying to get a macadamia nut. Now this is a macadamia nut, so let me just open it out for you guys. See how it oozes in? Now this is basically how the donut's gonna look. Right? So now this been, mind you, this been sitting for a minute, right? We got this morning just to see how it tastes once it's been sitting for a minute. Now it's good, really good when you eat it right out of the box when you get it from Leonard's. But let's see how it tastes now. It still tastes really good. So if y'all haven't tried Leonard's, if you go to Hawaii, I'm pretty sure you guys heard about it, but if not, definitely give them a try. Staying in Honolulu, the next place we went to was Uncle Clay's House of Pure Aloha, right? You see Uncle Clay right there with the shaka sign. And man, I heard a lot of great things about this from a lot of YouTubers, including the Hawaiian Traveler, saying that this tasted more natural compared to the other shave ice spots. So I had to come here and try it out myself, and you know, look at the way they make the shave ice. That I can watch that all day. It's just beautiful to me. But then, you know, it's also called shaved ice here, not shaved ice. Okay, if you come in from outside Hawaii, you're used to probably people saying shaved ice, S-H-A-V-E-D. Here it's called S-H-A-V-E, shave ice. Okay, so I have a question for y'all. Do y'all know where shave ice originated from? Because some folks say it's originated from Japan and it came over to Hawaii. Some people say it was there in New Orleans and snow cones. And some people there say it was there in Maryland. Maryland people like to claim everything is there. But I just want y'all to let me know, where did shave ice come from? With that said, I had to get a strawberry flavored shave ice, and we got an island flavor like a mango and pineapple shave ice. And they put the ice cream right on top, and the condensed milk's in there. You gotta get it with the condensed milk and the ice cream. It's not too sweet. Just right. As far as sweetness goes, I would say this is not the sweetest shave ice, but it definitely packs the flavor, it packs the punch, and with that ice cream and with that condensed milk, man, it tastes fresh. And in Hawaii, it's tropical, right? So you're getting that tropical weather, and you have the shave ice. It's like an awesome experience. You definitely got to come here and try this out. So the next place is an honorable mention. It's in Kailua, the city of Kailua, and it is a chocolate factory, right? And it's right next to the cinnamon restaurant. The cinnamon restaurant that we went to in the previous video, which was the plates and poke series, the part 2 of it. Check it out on my YouTube channel. But this one is just about chocolates, and you can taste chocolates and you can drink chocolates. Well, by that what I mean is they take the cacao beans, they take the husk out, and they make a little tea out of it. And that tea has a little bit of trace amount of caffeine in it, and it tastes really good. You can definitely taste the chocolate notes. You know, this is like the chocolate tasting. They also got wine here, so you know you can come taste wine as well. And then they give you some chocolates to try it out.
It's like the texture is like a roasted peanut.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we peel the shell off.
Okay.
And the shell is what we use to make the tea.
Nice.
And then the inside of the seed is 100% cocoa. So this is what we use to make chocolate.
Another cool thing about this spot is they have chocolate from different islands, you know, from the Big Island to Maui to Oahu, and you know, different places they've made chocolates, and it's also different flavors. You have guava, you have lily koi, you have milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, you know, you name it. They have different types of chocolates, and it's worth checking it out. And they also got wine. They got a wine night for the adults on Thursday nights or something like that. So if y'all are in the area in Kailua, come check this place out. Baba, you want to get some ice cream?
Okay.
Yeah, ice cream? Okay, let's go get some ice cream. So the last place I want to take y'all to is in the North Shore, in the city of Haleiwa. Look at how cute that bird is. I was following that bird all over the place. But anyways, coming back to the topic, we're going to Matsumoto Shave Ice. So if you go to Haleiwa, if you go to the North Shore, you gotta check this place out, right? If you say, I went to Hawaii and I had shave ice, they're gonna ask you, did you go to Matsumoto's? If you say no, they're gonna be like, come on, man, you gotta go to Matsumoto's, right? There's no natural stuff here. They got everything artificial, but you gotta try some good shave ice. And they got all kinds of merch here, and then you can see the people work with their shave ice machines. One thing I noticed from shave ice from Hawaii versus different places, it's like I think they got a really good equipment to shave that ice down to the perfect consistency. So when you put these syrups, it just like works so perfectly, right? And then when you put the ice cream inside, and then the mochi balls outside, and then you know you put some condensed milk on top, it's like its own dessert. So if you haven't had shave ice, you know, I highly urge you to try this out. And of course, if you come to Hawaii, you already know you're gonna try shave ice, but you got to come to Matsumoto's, right? They put that ice cream in the middle and put that condensed milk outside with those flavors. Those flavors are amazing. And man, I'm so glad we came to Matsumoto, because this place delivers when it comes to shave ice. They got it right down to the pack. You know what I mean? Like everything works. The mochi balls, the condensed milk outside, and the ice cream inside. It's just so beautiful. It tastes very good.
That's better than yesterday's. Bye-bye. Dang.
Wow.
Yeah.
So good.
Oh, there, let's sit there. Lola didn't save a seat for us.
As my face says it all, man. This was one of the best shave ice places that I went to, and I'm so glad I went there. I went right next door to Island Vintage Coffee. They have all kinds of merchandise, you know, including coffee cups and coffee, obviously Kona coffee, most importantly, right? They have Kona coffee that they sell. If you want to bring this to your family and friends, y'all definitely should. And this is from Haleiwa, and they have single origin Kona coffee, which is volcanic grown. So it is a little expensive on the pricey side, but it is really good coffee. With that said, I hope y'all like this third video in my 3-part video series. If y'all like this video, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to feast with Pete.